Hello everyone, so let's continue. So we have just created a Lambda function, and in the Lambda function you can see we have two parameters, event and context, and with the help of this command we are just trying to pass an input data to this parameter, that is event. So how we can do that? Just click on deploy, and we are just print the input text for debugging processes so that you can see the content of input underscore prompt. You can also check it from CloudWatch logs as well. After that, just click on this test and event name. Let me give event 1, and here you can see we have the event json. So what key we have defined inside the event, that is prompt, and what value you want to give to the prompt? Hello, how are you? And let me remove other keys and save. So here you can see we have given the prompt name as a key, same we have mentioned there. Now let me click here, test. Now you can see the status code is showing 200. It means this function has been executed successfully, and you can see this output as well. You can also check from the CloudWatch logs. Just click on this monitor, view CloudWatch logs. It will open in new tab. Just scroll down under this log streams. We have this log. Just click on it. Now here you can see it has provided the required logs. So whatever we have executed here, same we can watch from the CloudWatch logs. That's all for this lecture. In the next lecture, I am going to show you how to invoke the Cohere model.